Welcome to my channel. I'm Sidamed Sidi Mohammed, a passionate web designer and developer with over 2 years of experience specializing in creating stunning WordPress websites. Today we're going to show you how to get a beautiful and professional personal portfolio website on WordPress. Whether you're a freelancer, a designer, or a creative professional, a personal portfolio website is a great way to showcase your work and skills to potential clients and employers. ScalaHosting is a web hosting provider that offers a variety of hosting services, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated hosting. ScalaHosting was founded in 2003. It is headquartered in Dallas, Texas. It serves over 500,000 customers in more than 120 countries around the world. It boasts a 99.9% uptime guarantee, emphasizing its commitment to providing reliable service. ScalaHosting offers a number of features that make it a great choice for web hosting, including SSD storage. ScalaHosting uses SSD storage for all of its hosting plans. SSD storage is much faster than traditional hard drive storage, which can lead to improved website performance. Free SSL certificates. ScalaHosting offers free SSL certificates with all of its hosting plans. SSL certificates help to secure your website and protect your visitors' data. Automatic backups. ScalaHosting offers automatic backups with all of its hosting plans. This means that you don't have to worry about losing your data if something happens to your website. 24/7 support. ScalaHosting offers 24/7 support to all of its customers. This means that you can get help with any problems you're having, no matter what time of day it is. ScalaHosting offers a variety of hosting plans to fit different budgets. Shared hosting plans start at just $3.95 per month. VPS hosting plans start at $9.95 per month. And dedicated hosting plans start at $49.95 per month. ScalaHosting is a great choice for web hosting. It offers a variety of features, including SSD storage, free SSL certificates, automatic backups, and 24/7 support. It also offers a variety of hosting plans to fit different budgets. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable web hosting provider, I recommend checking out ScalaHosting. Click the link in the first comment below to learn more about ScalaHosting and to sign up for a hosting plan today. How to get a beautiful and professional personal portfolio website on WordPress. Step 1. Purchase ScalaHosting web hosting using our affiliate link. Link in the video description or in the comments. ScalaHosting is a reliable and affordable web hosting provider that offers a wide range of features perfect for creating a personal portfolio website. Step 2. Once you have purchased your web hosting, contact us on LinkedIn to get started on building your website. We will work with you to understand your needs and create a website that is both beautiful and professional. Step 3. We will provide you with a custom-designed WordPress theme that is tailored to your specific needs. We will also install all of the necessary plugins and configure your website for optimal performance. Step 4. Once your website is complete, we will provide you with training on how to manage and update it. We will also be available to answer any questions you may have. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you create a stunning personal portfolio website.